So for today, my challenge to you, or the thing that you might want to work on doing to set yourself up for the assignment for this module, is working on getting a Jupyter notebook. Now, if you're using a school computer here, you're not going to be able to run Jupyter Notebook on the school computers. You're also not going to be able to run Jupyter Notebook normally if you have PyCharm CE installed. So you'd have to install PyCharm, or you'd have to install Python and use pure command line tools to install Jupyter and that sort of thing. It's much easier to do it through PyCharm, so I'd recommend doing that. Just install Jupyter Notebook and try some code out in Jupyter Notebook, not even necessarily data science code, but just some of the basic code that you've been playing around with in class, so you can get used to how to use them. And then and then for the assignment for this week, you'll be all set to use Jupyter Notebook for the purpose of analyzing data and producing some visualizations. So that's it for today, and then we will come back next week and wrap up with our final lecture in the class.